This is a simply gorgeous, simply stunning one bedroom here at the 8119. I'm Grant Bynum. I'm with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Finally, Highland Park and finally Dallas got the kind of high-rise we needed. There isn't any other high-rise that's anything like this, that's anywhere near this as well. This to me is the perfect high-rise apartment in Dallas. It's literally that good. It's the number one high-rise in Dallas, and I've seen them all. Isn't this just simply gorgeous? It's got all the features you would want, the beautiful modern feel, the gorgeous floor-to-ceiling windows, the very light touches, the light wall, beautiful accents, the undermount lighting, the recessed ceiling lighting, the views, everything, and in the perfect area of town, Highland Park, where you can meet plenty of other singles in their Highland Park. They're going to be in this building. I can't recommend this building enough. It's perfect. You need to come see it right now. My number is below. I would recommend that you send me a text, and we will set up a virtual tour literally within hours. And would love to take care of that for you. We can also, of course, set up a live tour as well. But this is the building you want to be. And I'm speaking after over 10 years of experience in high rises. This is literally my favorite building now in Dallas.